Hi, welcome aboard. Today's topic in Networking Fundamental is Introduction to Networking. This resource was created by Conscience, shared through AVT Conscience on YouTube to help students aspiring to take the Cisco Certified Network Associate Examination and those looking to gain fundamental understanding in networking. The aim of our channel is simply to help students understand topics better to enable them finish courses with deeper knowledge than average in their professional track and emerge as exceptional candidates in their field of choice. Subscribe and share. Now, let's get started without wasting time. Introduction to Networking and Networking Fundamental. So, what exactly is a network? At its core, a network is just a bunch of devices linked together so they can share stuff and talk to each other. Picture your group of friends. Everyone chats, shares stories, passes things around. A computer network works the same way, just with gadgets like computers, printers, servers, and phones instead of people. Purpose of networks. We bother with networks for the same reasons we hang out with friends, to communicate and to share. One of the purpose of networks is sharing of resources. Imagine if every single person at work needed their own printer. That'd get expensive and chaotic in no time. With a network, everyone can use the same printer. Same goes for files. You don't need to hand over a USB stick, that's called a sneakernet. And honestly, it's painfully slow. Instead, just save your file to a server and let everyone grab it from there. Another reason is communication. This is the big one. Email, instant messaging, video calls, none of that works without networks. Networks are the invisible highways, carrying all those conversations and cat videos. The main point is to move messages from point A to point B. Everything a network does comes down to one thing: getting your data from one place to another, quickly and without messing it up. Whether you're sending a quick email or streaming a movie, the network chops up your data, sends the pieces on their way, and puts them back together at the other end. The internet is the ultimate network. You've probably heard this before, but let's make it real. The internet isn't just one giant network. It's a huge collection of thousands of smaller networks, all linked up. Think of it like looking at a world map. Your home network? That's your house. Your ISP, the company you pay for internet, that's the city's network of roads, connecting your house to everyone else. Big networks run by companies like Google or Netflix. Those are major cities or entire countries. The underwater cables connecting continents, those are like massive shipping routes. All these networks decide to speak the same language, called protocols. More on that soon. And that's how the internet connects everyone across the globe. Glossary for Introduction to Networking. Network. Two or more devices connected so they can share stuff and talk. Analogy. Your group of friends who text and hang out. Resource. Anything useful on the network, like files, printers, even your Wi-Fi. Analogy. A shared office printer, or a library book everyone borrows. Internet Service Provider or ISP, the company that hooks you up to the internet. They connect your home network to the rest of the world. Analogy. Like the city building the road that leads to your house. Data, info your devices store or send. On a network, computers break it into chunks called packets. Analogy. Mailing a letter, you put it in an envelope, a packet, before sending it. Protocol. The rules for how devices talk on a network. Think of it as a language everyone agrees to use. Analogy. The basic manners of conversation, taking turns, listening, and speaking the same language. Now you know what a network is and why we use them.